somewhere there
When
about
you heard you were going to go on
Roman
that stage, how nervous were you?
to the roof nervous. No, serious, to the roof nervous. That's not a normal feeling. Just be mindful, you know. Entering the business
Yeah.
2011, I didn't reach at Rebel Salute because my career was hiking and I'm ready to go at Rebel Salute. I was alongside Ramin Verga, you know, on Vikings production was managing Ramin at the time, so I was right there. Ramin called me out on Rebel Salute in the morning, and I'm telling you. But you see, once I step out and I start delivering, and the people are there, feeling the energy, and Ramin was there, you know, giving me a boost. Trust me, jump off. It always works. Once you start singing, any artist can tell you this. Doesn't matter the feeling. Once you get on stage and you start, one breath of relief, and you can just keep going.
You know, kudos to Romain Virgo, who has appeared on Live Tuesday, just as you're doing today,
definitely.
for bringing another artist with him. So he has done extremely well.
Definitely.
And looking out for his brothers and sisters in the music business and
Yes,
taking
yes.
them with him on so that they get a taste of the success, riding that crest. And then once he has given you that platform, it's up to you to decide what you do
Great.
with it.
That is it. And he used to use these terms, and 'cause it's not one show, you know. Me and Romain have been so many places, and not just locally, internationally. Romain has this talk, just like you said just now. He used to say, like, people, when I'm begging on forward, want to listen to that youth, and you know a good artist. Tell me if a good artist.
No, and the mere fact
Yeah,
that he's
true.
taking you with you,
Right,
taking
places
him with you,
within-
it means he
Yeah.
believes in what you're doing. Now, we heard on the BBC that reggae festivals and concerts in Europe have been taking a decline. That was in yesterday's news.
Right.
And have you experienced this while on tour? Because they're complaining about the high fees being charged by artists, all 3 times what it was pre-COVID, and the fact that people, concert goers are not there, and all kinds of things are hampering.
Alright. Just like how you're seeing it on the media, that's how I'm seeing it now. Because I haven't been out there touring since Corona. We've been on a few shows, because we don't call fly to do a show and come back and then go do a next one tour.
Oh,
that's,
okay.
That's it. Go doing a show.
Yeah, okay.
But I haven't been to Europe since,
Oh, okay.
right? And if you say it's in the reggae market, they're complaining about pricing. Well, I don't know about that. And
Well, just be conscious of that.
For our thing, that's one of the things we will never do. Anyone, whether you want to be a DJ, a selector, a promoter, they can tell you Loyal Flames is never an artist. Check Vikings production, thing always manageable.
All right. Now, you have new music coming out. Tell us about that, and then we're going to invite you to go and perform for us.
Yeah, we have some songs where we've been doing some work on, but we have one specifically at the moment where, you know, you have people putting out work like, see me here now, we come from way old Lava. So we have to be up from 4 this morning. Right. To be here this time. Alright. How about somebody who has to do this every morning? Right? And to do this every morning and then realize after you finish doing all this, you pay all the bills, you do all of this, you still can't pay all the bills. You can't even buy yourself a shirt, you can't do the luxury that you would love to do. So we pay attention, as I tell you earlier, to things that we face day to day that everyone faces. We can relate to. So this
that's-
song is a song for
What's the
the
name of it?
hard-working people.
What's the name of the song?
What we call this song again, Miguel? Because I title them different. Because we call it working money, you know. I want to title it. I want to title it. Money now work. You see?
Money now. Okay, don't worry.
Yeah, so as an artist, we call it what we want to call it. And then when they're ready to write up, you realize them title them different. From
Don't worry. Jamaicans have this thing of giving songs.
A giving song.
A
yeah.
new title. Don't worry.
Yeah,
Everything will come together in the end. We're going to ask you
Definitely.
to perform for us this morning on Cool
problem.
97
No problem.
FM.
No problem.
Go out there, have fun.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, man, just have fun.
will.
Everyone who's gathered wishes you the best, all right?
Thank you very much.
Yes. By the way, what's your birth name?
Devar Stennett,
Which school?
Central High School.
All right.
in
So
Clarendon.
all who were at Central High School in Clarendon, you know, Devar Bennett, then it's him. He is Loyal Flames, our guest this morning on Cool 97 FM. And let me just remind you all that we have as our sponsors of this segment, yes, ATC Freight and Shipping, your go-to courier for commercial cargo from Curacao. Outfit your wardrobe, stock your boutique with top quality, high fashion, shipped directly to Jamaica at competitive rates. Call ATC Freight and Shipping at 876-630-1515. WhatsApp 876-802-4573. Cool 97 FM in your ear. All right, so we get back to the music, and we go all the way up to 9 o'clock with Live Tuesday.
On the mic, make the nice one. Alright then. Hey.
That's all right now.
Chat more reverb.
Cool 97.
Every vice, but right there now, what about that? Keep focused, it ain't no joke now. Keep focused, and you will go further. Keep focused, it ain't no joke now. Keep focused. Alright then, so that's not necessary. That not necessary. Say that not necessary. Say that not necessary. That not necessary. Say that not necessary. Necessary. Cause it necessary. Watch a man again. Keep focused. Keep focused. Keep focused. Keep focused. Baby, I dead. Old lady, I dead. You better change up the thoughts. Clean up the heart. 97. I want them to know what we are talking about. Alright, right now, Mr. The bleaching thing say that not necessary. Hey, that two-pan skin say that not necessary. Your boy, your nose and your chin say that not necessary. My belly skin of neighboring say that not necessary. Be my grade, go up foreign, that not necessary. And all these thugs and gun things say that not necessary. You live your life like it necessary. Go live it right. Cause it's not, go watch and go, yo. Keep focused. It ain't no joke now. Keep focused. And you will go further. Keep focused. It ain't no joke now. Hey, Cool 97, me take a look for some of see a go on now. You a go on now? Oh, lady, you're dead. And when me check it out, I just feel the youth. My meds know it, I change up on the thoughts, clean up on the heart. Don't get caught by the shadows in the dark. Say my people be smart. Speed up while I walk. Secure the link up, pick them boy, them have no heart. Gunshot a mark. People are what are the guns for? What about books and computers? Youth them get smart, of course them want learn. Alright then, I straight for your burn. Alright then, keep focused. It ain't no joke now. Keep focused, and you will go further. Keep focused. Oh, wow. Focus. All right, Cool 97, you have some youth when I like work. We big up all hard workers at Jamaica, all over the world. You know why we're there? We are on. Here we go on. Listen now, rain and fall when I no food pan with table. Woman and breed and you know say we no stable now. Can't pay for light without fi bridge a little cable. Water commissioner look for me and me no able now. Me say a serious time. Gold man a bun because gas can't buy. And every week the food price rise. Hungry mouth to feed and now me baby and cry, so I'm working now. Big up all and working the youth of Jamaica. Working now, whoa. You know, yes I'm working now. Hey, me tell them about work. Every work I work, we appreciate all hard work. Me can't share some of the people. That one you read something, yeah, nice. Listen. Me send me brethren Alex. The man ball said things get rough. So him run go look at work on the garbage truck. Only for face. The youth say him start his skin up. Bad influence I tell the youth we give a ball. Them man know the struggles of them man know when hungry they buy it. Whoa.
Cool Classifieds.
City Fusion Limited is an authorized partner with sales installation for Forza UPS. Next, Aruba Instant On HPE switch and Wi-Fi for Aruba network equipment. They provide networking, fiber optic construction, surveillance camera systems, plus other applications. Follow at City Fusion now and call 876-815-1847.
That was Cool Classifieds. If you'd like to place your ad here, call Cool Classifieds at 876-978-9161 or send us an email at salesandmarketing@cool97fm.com. The following is a public service announcement. September is recognized as Prostate Cancer Awareness Month. According to researchers at the Johns Hopkins University, men between the ages of 45 and 55 should talk to their doctor about screening for prostate cancer. Men at higher risk, which includes those with a father or brother diagnosed with prostate cancer before age 65, should begin having screening conversations at age 45. Because the mortality rate is highest in men of African and Afro-Caribbean descent, men, please discuss early screening with your healthcare provider. You can't change your race or family history, but you can take preventative action with early detection. The proceeding was a public service announcement. For more information about prostate cancer, visit the Ministry of Health and Wellness website at moh.gov.jm or the Jamaica Cancer Society at jcs.live.
BSJ. Calling all business operators, entrepreneurs, creators, inventors. You know the score. Turn your next idea into something real. Build up standards. Then know the deal. Expand your business. Export overseas. Get trained. Test products. Meet standards with ease. Ask about calibration at BSJ. Explore your options.
Call the BSJ at 876-618-1534 or visit our website, bsj.org.jm. The Bureau of Standards Jamaica, committed to quality and standards.
Are you building, renovating, or constructing? Whether it's for commercial, industrial, or residential purposes, look no further. Jamaica Aggregates Limited has the highest quality in sand and stones, providing you with all your construction needs at 4 convenient locations. And as a plus, they also deliver island-wide. For details, call 876-926-3420 or visit jamagg.com. Jamaica Aggregates Limited. Transforming the rock.
How much do you know about your taxes? Do you need local and international tax advice? Cool 97 FM is your connection to FIACG, moves at the global speed of business. Listen daily for expert tips so you can be compliant. And call 876-407-4168 to learn more from chartered and certified public accountants. Be in the know, courtesy of FIACG tax tips on Cool 97 FM.
ATC Freight and Shipping is the #1 choice for pickup services in Canada. They offer weekly sailing to Jamaica from Vancouver and other cities. Competitive rate, timely updates, and super customer service. Ship your barrels, crates, decontainers, and boxes of personal items and tools of the trade with us from Canada. Mention promo code VAN3 for a 3% discount on handling. Call 876-630-1515. WhatsApp 876-802-4573. ATC Freight and Shipping, the service professionals.
As our family grows, our home internet needs have grown too.
And now, with Flow's fiber fast internet and smart Wi-Fi coverage, we're always connected in any room at home.
With Yadon Road Plus, get 500 megabits per second of fiber fast internet, smart Wi-Fi, plus unlimited mobile on the go. All for the special offer of only $6,999 plus GCT a month. Fiber fast internet and smart Wi-Fi coverage inspired by you. Visit a Flow store today. Conditions apply.
Want to hear some cool head nodding, seat rocking throwback tunes and more? Keep your radio locked to Cool Rhythms Tuesdays, 1 to 5 p.m. with Mix Master Marvin and me, Heather Cummings-Williams.
Thanks to our sponsors.
Beverly Hills Pharmacy, guiding you to better health, 230 Mountain View Avenue, Kingston.
And Catalea Perfect 10 Med Spa. Visit shop number 10, Shops at Southdale, 1 South Avenue, Kingston 10.
Tune in each week to hear your favorite jams and giveaways from our sponsors. Tuesdays on Cool 97 FM.
What's up, Tish? Have you been to TBK Pharmacy's new location?
Sure, the one at Hungway Shopping Mall in Portmore, right?
Do they have the same great service as Lady Musgrave Road?
Their customer service is excellent. Pharmacist is friendly. You get 15% discount on your prescription and so much more.
What's their number?
Just call our WhatsApp 876-581-7644 or 876-618-1208.
You know what? Take me to TBK Pharmacy Portmore.
Here's your chance to get interactive, and you can get interactive inside Cool Tones each Tuesday.
Just text in your song request on the Cool text line.
That's 876-832-7879 between 9 and 10 a.m. And then listen for your favorites played for one super cool hour. It's Text In Tuesday from 11 a.m. to noon inside Cool Tones. You've been sending in those requests. Now it's time to sit back, relax, and enjoy your favorite tunes on Cool 97 FM. Text In Tuesday is sponsored by
Lanco Paints, durable by nature.
Fontana Pharmacy, it's all good inside.
Home and Things Limited, brands you know, brands you can trust.
Let's do it.
E&R Hardware is the ultimate one-stop shop for paints, cement, steel. Plumbing items, doors, kitchen sinks, and more. Located at Lot 16 to 17 Portmore Town Centre. Get premium quality supplies for your building, renovating, and decorating needs. Call E&R Hardware at 876-988-7485-6 or 876-988-8697. E&R Hardware, the builder's friend. This is Cool 97 FM. The program is Mellow Morning. We're into the segment from 7 until 9 that we've dubbed Live Tuesday. Loyal Flames is performing for us right now on Cool 97 FM, and this segment is brought to you by ATC Freight and Shipping. They'll pick up, pack, and ship your boxes, barrels, crates, and containers from most major cities in Canada. Ship from Canada with ATC Freight and Shipping, proud agents of IKL Logistics. Call 876-630-1515, WhatsApp 802-4573. So we're going to continue with more of Live Tuesday on Cool 97 FM, reminding you our guests this morning, Warrior King, Loyal Flames, and Richie Canary. All right, so in a short while, we'll also get a chance to speak with June Isaacs. So stay tuned.
Cool, tell them loud the youths them when you see them a try. And Loyal Flames, hey cool. Rain a fall, me nah no food for me table. Woman a breathe and you know say me no stable. No can't pay for light, me not fit bridge a little cable. Water commissioner look for me and me no able, no. Me say a serious time. Cool man a bun because gas can't buy. And every week the food price rise. Hungry mouth we feed and all me baby a cry. So I'm working now. Big up all hard working youths in Jamaica. Yes, I'm working now. Whoa, 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 whoa. Working now. Yes, I'm working. Hey, me as a youth to respect every work, you know. Listen to the real story. Every work I work and you have to respect every work. I know. Give yourself one blood card. Tell the people them. Listen what I go on now. Send me brethren Alex. The man ball said things get rough. So him run go look at work on the garbage truck. Whole heap of face. The youth say him start skin up. Bad influence I tell the youth we give up. But them don't know the struggles of life. Them don't know when hungry you bite. The youth not beg. Him swallow him pride. The garbage truck was him trying say the youth just working now. Big up all hard working youths in Jamaica. Yes, I'm working now. Whoa, 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 whoa. Working now. Yes, I'm burning. What's up, people? Big up on the every time. Next chat, my general. Oh, 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 and my second condolence goes out to those who lose a loved one or a friend. Whenever I lose somebody, don't have to cry. Watch it cry. Hey, Loyal Flames, hey. Cool 97, big up on yourself every time right there. Now me standing. Say nah, you know what then. When you might come and I hear no calling. And all you hear I'm mourning and balling. Balling, me standing. Say nah, you know what then. When you might come. Hey, play low, my general. Come on and hear the message, you know. There's a message. Play rhythm little lower. Play rhythm little lower. Listen now, make use of life. Don't you waste it, you don't know when me said it. I come to erase it. We all have problems, we got to face it. But the memories, you cannot erase it. Just don't make it get you down, that's the basic rule. Oh, in dealing with the problems in life, you try to protect it. No matter with the loose start, the loose thing, no make it hard. Hey, hold it, general, hold it, 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 hold it. Give me the next track there. I think that song is too high for my vocals time, man. Warrior. Give him break free for them. Big up on yourself, people. Remember, I say, a morning time something, you know, we don't really have the morning voice, you know. But we still put all the effort to come do it for the people them because of the love. Yes, and we appreciate it. Yes. So we have to put all the effort, people, to make the message reach people them ears. So wanna just bear with me and know say the vocals no wake and we don't want to strain the vocals. So watch you now. When I find a situation that people wanna get out and don't know. Play back me general, play back me general. When I realize the pandemic we go through what here. Play it, man. When I realize that we go through what here, everybody must in that situation and I must in our mindset when I want to get myself out. I'm son one blood call. When I want to be a stressful situation like a relationship, a old car, any situation, man, you want to get yourself out time. But tell you something, man. Cool 97, big up on yourself every time. It was a pleasure to be here. And you see right here now, Cool 97, here we are go. Break free from all them chains and them shackles. And the bangers say I rock a wanna. Break free. Say we gonna break free from all them chains and them shackles and them mental strain. Can't take no pressure from we brain. Warrior King, we tell the people them. Right now, it's been a while. And we be living like this. So living in our minds, taking program like a chip and it's not right. When you can't make a choice, how can it be for me and you? Pull up the general for the people and music again. I went out OD now, I say, all over there for all the time. We say real music for real people. Cool 97, big up on yourself every time. As I say, it was a pleasure to be here. I will come to represent for the people. Them want me cry for no people. All right, what you know what me say? Loyal flames. I'm say real music for real people. General, big up right now we are go. Break free from all them chains and them shackles. And the banker say I rock the wanna. Break free. Warrior we are go. Break free from all them chains and them shackles and them mental strain. Can't take no pressure. I will say message. No, listen to the message now. Listen. Right now it's been a while and we've been living like this. So living in our minds, taking program like a chip and it's not right. Oh, when you can't make a choice, how can it be for me and you decide? Oh no, I wanna take control, live my life and play my role. Oh no, don't try and hold me down. Cool 97, big up yourself right now. We are going. From all them chains and them shackles, the bangers say I rock the wanna. Break free. The Warrior King we are go. Break free from all them chains and them shackles and them mental strain. Can't take no pressure from we brain. I don't want to hear a message. Listen. Right now, freedom don't come without a fight. The many died, the many make sacrifice. But me now make them get me not them corner. Them instigate and formulate nothing but drama. Trying to get me under, but none of them no stronger than the powers of the Father. Fire burn them lava. Oh no, Warrior King we are go. Break free. I'm all them chains and them shackles, and the bangers say I rock the wanna. Yeah, me the man. Big up on myself every time, man. We got myself every time. It was a pleasure to be here. Cool 97, Lion Flame, Warrior King, General.
Live Tuesday. I'm Dan Thomas, and in studio as well we have Mikey T. Thompson. Now, we just need to remind you, let's just pull for this commercial, that applying for a pension plan online is easy. Visit smart.ncbinsurance.com to start. The time by NCB Insurance Agency and the fund managers. It is now 7:49 on Cool 97 FM. We're inviting you to stay with us as now we get a chance to speak with June Isaacs inside of Live Tuesday. And remember, Live Tuesday features live performances by recording artists, and we get a chance to speak with them as well. So you're invited to stay with us as right now. Okay, all right, we're just pulling up the studio door because we're hearing the voices from outside, all right? So we're going into our little chit-chat now with June Isaacs, and we're going to be hearing about an event that's coming up tomorrow, I do believe. Yes, indeed. So stay tuned. Let me just remind our listeners of the sponsors of this segment. Live Tuesday, which will feature Warrior King, Loyal Flames, and Richie Canary. This morning we have to say thank you to our sponsor, Alcavita Alkaline Drinking Water. Improve your water, improve your health. And it's bottled by Health Creation Industries in White Marl, St. Catherine. Telephone 876-649-0386. Stay locked to the coolest station in the nation, Cool 97 FM. And right now we have to say thank you to Loyal Flames for his performance inside of the show. Now, this segment is also brought to you by ATC Freight and Shipping. Let them coordinate your shipment from major cities in China. Book and ship containers, heavy machinery, generators, kids' toys and clothing. For weekly direct sailing and air freight services from China, call ATC Freight and Shipping, 876-630-1515, WhatsApp 876-802-4573. And now we get a chance to speak with June. Good morning and welcome to the nation's coolest, Cool 97 FM. How are you?
I'm fabulous.
Okay.
Thank you.
I'm going to ask you to come across and be closer to the microphone.
Okay.
Right. Mm-hmm. Okay. So what is this big event happening tomorrow?
Okay. So last month,
Mm-hmm.
Jaria launched their Wednesday's Jams at the Footprints Cafe.
Oh,
on
Belmont Road.
Yeah.
Mhm.
And we had a full house. It was raining and it was entertainment, fun, food, and the festivity.
Oh, okay. So that one went well. So what's planned for tomorrow?
Tomorrow. Okay. Tomorrow, the same format. Jaria is all about exposing new acts and
Sorry, who performed last time?
a ton load of acts.
Oh, a
Ton
ton load.
of
Okay.
acts,
It's like
yes.
anybody who can perform, come.
Right. We have a walk-up mic as well. So
Nice.
it's a free flow.
So was that successful?
Very.
So
very.
people have so much nerve that they can walk up and just do something?
Yes.
Wow, brave. Okay. So
Ja-
this week you say it's a similar format.
Mhm. And this week,
Yes.
we're featuring the legendary Bongo Herman.
Oh, Bongo Herman.
Yes. Also recording artist Taddy P. And Danny, Dancy Nani. who's
Dancy
a
Nani,
who's
okay.
a dancer.
Oh, okay.
Yes. We're all about every form of entertainment: dancing, storytelling, acting, modeling.
Whoa.
Every form.
So anyone who is into the arts, this is a perfect stage for
Platform.
you.
Right. Perfect.
Whoa. So what time does it begin? What time does it, last time, what time did it end?
Last time we ended about 10:30.
Started at what time?
6 p.m.
Nice.
6 p.m.
And this is midweek at that?
Right.
Wow. Yeah, that's a decent time.
It's a Wednesday jams.
Is there a cover charge?
No, it's free for now.
I like that for now.
But later down the road, I mean, with bigger packages and all of that, we'll have to charge.
More than likely, there will be expenses that will creep in at that
Right.
point. But in terms of the food, is it that it's only Footprints that provides food, or do they have vendors who come in from outside?
No.
Only Footprints?
Footprints.
All right.
Food and drink. is
Food
on
and drink.
Footprints.
Nice. I like this. Do you have sponsors as yet?
Well, Cool FM is one of our sponsors as
Mhm.
well. We partner with you guys here, and Mikey T's doing a fantastic job. Yes, we have other sponsors as well. Footprints as well. Sun City is also on board.
Oh, okay.
Yes,
Mhm.
and other media houses.
Nice. Okay, so this is definitely going to grow in terms of popularity.
Mhm.
Now, is there anything that in terms of parking, because that tends to be an issue for many individuals, they want to ensure the safety of their vehicle. Ladies don't particularly want to have to walk very far to get to their vehicle at the end of an event. How is parking?
Parking, no problem.
No problem.
We have wardens there to direct you wherever. And we have parking across the road. NCB has allowed us to use their parking. So, parking, no problem.
Fantastic.
Security, no problem.
Hey.
Just come.
They have everything covered.
Eat, drink, and jam with us.
Wow. I like this. And it's an open mic. Now, for something like this, somehow I just, to my mind, comes creeping in the fact that you probably have students from Edna Manley. You know, they tend to be very artistic and uninhibited. Do they come and perform?
Definitely so. We're open to all forms of entertainment.
How many times have you held this event?
Excuse me?
How many times has this event been held?
Oh, tomorrow will be our second.
Second.
Yes.
Okay. All right. So Edna Manley College, your students are more than welcome to come to this event. And yeah, just to unleash what it is that you say you're studying at Edna Manley College. I'm sure it will be appreciated. Is there anything else that you'd like to our listeners to know?
Just come in and support us.
Mm-hmm.
We need to eventually make funds to expand the Jaria's benefits.
Mm-hmm.
You know,
Jaria does what?
Jamaica Jaria is a umbrella organization for all acts, every form of entertainment, and we represent them in all forms.
So the funds that you're trying to amass eventually will go to what part of Jaria's administration? Is it pension plan? Is it helping with funeral grants? Is it helping with food subsidies? What?
All of the above and more.
Oi.
Help for sponsorship for probably a student that wants to be further their education at Edna Manley or anywhere else.
Okay. This is really good. Yeah, it's worth the support of corporate Jamaica and of individuals who are of an artistic mind and see the good in all of it. So, June, thank you for passing through Cool 97 FM. And all the very best. Mikey T, way to go. Helping out on a good cause.
And thank you, too. I mean, big up to Cool FM and Mikey T. You're on board with us.
We're going into our cool flight pack right now. You're invited to stay with us as once again we pay a visit to the Norman Manley International based here in Kingston, the Sangster International in Montego Bay, St. James, and we determine exactly what's the status of our flights. Good morning to you and welcome. I'm Dan Thomas, and the first flight that I have for you, Mikey, my flight theme, please. All right, so good morning and welcome. We begin with American Airlines AA2300. That flight departs Mobay for Miami at 10:26 this morning. Sunwing Airlines WG721 is expected to depart Mobay for Toronto at 10:30. JetBlue Airways B61060 departs Kingston for New York at 10:40 a.m. There is JetBlue Airways B61676 departing Kingston for Fort Lauderdale at 11:49 a.m. And Cool 97 FM reminds departing passengers to continue listening to us. Anywhere in the world, you're invited to log on to our website. It is www.kool97fm.com. Now for the arrivals. And in this hour, we don't have any arriving flights. But our next one will be Sunwing Airlines, WG720 out of Toronto. That flight is expected to touch down in Montego Bay at the Sangster International Airport. And now, with additional time, let me share with you a cool fun fact. These are always good. So, we're telling you that Devon House was built by a black Jamaican wheelwright named George Stabell. He became a millionaire through gold mining in South America and is widely acknowledged as Jamaica's first black millionaire. Devon House was sold by Stabell's grandson in 1923, and when it was threatened with demolition to make way for a housing complex of all things, a government of the day stepped in and acquired Devon House for the nation. That was in 1967. Over the years, it's been carefully restored, and until 1983, it was the home of the National Gallery of Jamaica. These days, it's a well-needed green space and chill spot for Jamaicans from all walks of life. And would you look at the time, we still have time for a second fun fact. Did you know that the Manchester Golf Club is the oldest in the Western Hemisphere? Established in Jamaica in 1865, the course was built soon after the invention of golf by the Scottish in the rolling hills of Manchester, in the historic resort town of Mandeville. The picturesque venue is more than 2,000 feet above sea level and is one of the more popular courses, attracting golfers to visit Jamaica. The course is set on 55 acres. It has 9 greens and 18 tee boxes and enables you to play 18 holes. That was a cool travel fun fact just for you. The nation's coolest Cool 97 FM, and you're invited to join us at 3 minutes to the hour when we'll have another cool flight pack for you.
Travel with Nuts
Knutsford Express from 15 locations island-wide and enjoy daily connections to and from the Montego Bay and Kingston airports. Book your ticket today at knutsfordexpress.com. Knutsford Express, your flight connector, moving what matters.
The time brought to you by Knutsford Express, your flight connector, moving what matters, is 8 o'clock.
Cool 97 Radio.
Welcome to Power Thoughts, the morning edition. It's brought to you by BPM Financial Limited, taking you higher. Secure a monthly income for your living expenses in retirement or get an emergency fund for the unexpected. Here's your Power Thought for today. One of the things almost all of us have to deal with is betrayal. Maybe you're suffering quietly through disloyalty from a partner, a friend, or a family member. But experts say that silent suffering leads to harmful emotions that sink deep into our being. If we don't process the reality of betrayal and work through its painful impressions, we get stuck in the situation. After one partner is unfaithful, we just can't imagine our next love interest remaining loyal. If our best friend deceives us, we begin to think all friends are capable of this sinister act. But betrayal can bring about wisdom and valuable lessons to be learned. We have to decide if we want to learn them or if we want to play the blame game. But once you decide to grow, understand that you may have to detach from people you don't trust. There is no reason to put up with people who act in bad faith. If you know someone is not trustworthy, you don't need to hang around. Be selective for your own well-being. Choosing to cling to people who don't inspire trust will only lead you to distrust everyone as a whole. But here's something you can do. You can pick 2 people to trust without limits. They can be family members, your spouse, friends, any 2 people you believe will never harm you. Sometimes putting your hopes in your loved ones teaches you that, yes, there still exist good-hearted folks that you can confide in. And that's your Power Thought for today from Dr. Carmen Hara's blog, 13 Steps to Recover from Betrayal. I'm Rosamond Brown. Talk to you next time. That's our Power Thought for today. It's brought to you by BPM Financial Limited, taking you higher.
Sardine with the chef and the beginner. Follow the one with pepper, that are the winner. Shop on supermarkets, everybody sell it. Do all of them nice. Pass the park, make push it.
Great sardines, follow the better flavor.
Once upon a time, there's a girl named Kay. She loved to dance and play. One day at school, she got very ill, and Mom was left with an unbearable bill. It would be easier if Mom was prepared. With School Companion, 80% of the bill is cleared. Medical care for children is a must for as low as $2,400 per month. Make unbearable medical bills go away. Sign up for Sagicor School Companion today.
Are you having issues with your flat screen TV? DS Electronics Unlimited Repairs offer expert repairs to smart, Android, QLED, Roku, and Google TVs. Visit shop number 3, Hope Business Place, 35 Hope Road, Kingston 10. Call 876-448-3228. Go online at dselectja.com or follow them on Instagram. DS Electronics Unlimited Repairs, your electronics solution.
Luxury beaches, countless grains of pure white sand, tranquil breeze and palm trees. Our beautiful island, Jamaica. Oh, Jamaica. We miss the vibrancy of our tourism product, but hope is on the horizon. At Exim Bank, we know that SMEs in the tourism industry need support to keep this vision alive, to strengthen one of our country's strongest assets. Let us help you to build a better future for your business. Ask about our small and medium-sized tourism enterprise loan today. Borrow up to $25 million with interest rates as low as 4.5% and up to 7 years to repay. You can breathe easy. Enjoy your progress and continue contributing to Brand Jamaica. Exim Bank. By helping businesses, we save lives and livelihood.
The Ministry of Finance and the Public Service presents MOFPS at your Service Expo, October 4th, 2023 from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. at the AC Hotel Kingston. See how the ministry has invested to improve the customer experience. Visit over 15 booths featuring the ministry's divisions, departments, and agencies. You can learn how to apply for a scholarship, check up on your pension, and so much more. That's the MOFPS at your Service Expo on October 4th, 2023, starting 9 a.m. Admission free. Visit mof.gov.jm for more info.
In the pursuit of consumer protection, skill, knowledge, conduct, and integrity are the pillars of a financial sector we can trust and be proud of. The Financial Services Commission, promoting integrity in the Jamaican financial sector. Play your part. Check before you invest.
Visit Diagnostics and Eye Health Center for special offers on OCT scans, frames, lenses, and cataract surgeries. For more details, call 876-978-4666 or 876-891-4810 or visit them at Southdale Plaza, Kingston. You may also follow them on Facebook and Instagram. This is Cool 97 FM, the nation's coolest. And just saying welcome to you if you're just joining us for Live Tuesday. Reminding you that the last segment was brought to you by ATC Freight and Shipping. Need merchandise for your business? Stock up in Panama, the go-to gateway for auto, home goods, all things office and goodies for the kids. Pack and ship directly to Jamaica at low rates with customs clearance and delivery from ATC Freight and Shipping. Call 876-630-1515, WhatsApp 876-802-4573. And we had Health Creation Industries with Alcavita Alkaline Drinking Water. Improve your water, improve your health. Their number in White Marl, St. Catherine, 876-649-0386. It's another exciting week of live music on Cool 97 FM. That's Live Tuesday, where we showcase the talents and get into conversation with our featured guests. This morning, Loyal Flames performed for us, and we're going to be hearing from Richie Canary in a short while. We'll also be hearing from Warrior King, all of them inside of this segment of Live Tuesday. Now, once again, we need to say thank you to the management of Summit in New Kingston. We were supposed to be there this morning, and we were advertising that we would be there, but based on the weather conditions, we thought it prudent for us to be under a covered area. You know that when we're at Summit, we're out in the open in the garden. Well, it's based on the amount of equipment that we carry with us to that location. We thought it wise to just be in a covered area, which is why we're here in studio. So again, thank you to Summit for their graciousness and always being there for us. Now this morning, inside of Live Tuesday, for this segment from 8 to 8:30, we're saying thank you to our sponsors, Key Mix Audio. The mix is key. They provide PA system and audio support. ATC Freight and Shipping need merchandise for your business. Stock up in Panama, the go-to gateway for auto, home goods, all things office and goodies for the kids. Pack and ship directly to Jamaica at low rates with customs clearance and delivery from ATC Freight and Shipping. Call 876-630-1515, WhatsApp 876-802-4573. And a little later, we're going to be hooking up with our friends from Ashanti Oasis Vegetarian Catering. Yes, Yvonne, she provides breakfasts for the production team here and also for our performing guests. All right, so Richie Canary, it's been a while. Welcome once again to Cool 97 FM's Live Tuesday. So
thank you.
Talk to us about your music. How are things going?
Well, first I must say good morning, Jamaica. Cool 97 FM, big up. Thanks for having me and all of that. Yeah, with music now, music is constant for me.
Yes.
Because, I sing with a band too, and I record and all of that. I have my studio, so sometimes I'm there, recording and all of that. There's an album pending.
Oh.
We're working on an album right now. The producer lives in England, and he's working on it assiduously. I think that's what's happening, he said.
So any idea when this album will be coming out?
Hopefully early next year, because they're mixing and all of that, fine tuning, and it has to be good before it comes out.
Oh yeah.
So we have to make sure of all of that.
Yeah, you have to.
Because if the production is not good, then it doesn't make sense.
So it will be you singing, or do you have any collaborations on it?
I'll be singing. It's just Richie Canary.
Okay. All right. This morning you're going to be performing for us. Now, any of the songs you're going to be doing come from that upcoming project?
Yes.
Oh, good.
Yes.
So you want to give us a head start on the title so we can listen out for those particular tracks.
So it's just one from the album right now because it's out and it's a cover, Forever Mine.
Wow.
Yes. So it's a reggae version. So, you know, that's what I'm gonna do. You know, the OJs did it well, so I hope everybody enjoys it when I start.
You know,
because you know that's an act to follow.
I honestly think that individuals go out on a very fragile limb.
Yes.
When they decide to take on classics.
Yes.
And the decision, there's no going back once you put that down, you know.
Definitely.
So you have to come good.
So I'm willing to do that.
All right, so with the new album, what kind of audience are you targeting mainly? Is it off the vein of that older type of sound?
Yeah, yeah, mostly. Yeah, you know, the Lovers Rock and all of that. And I have like ska on it too. A few ska songs.
Wait, you really went into your research, man.
Yes, man. And a few other covers, but they're artists from Europe, I think. I don't really know them as such, but the producer wanted me to do some of those songs. So I did it. So let's see how it goes.
Yes. Now, if you were to give a word of encouragement, because you've been in the music business for quite a few years, a word of encouragement to the young people who perhaps are floundering, ready to give up after just a mere few years in the business, or those who already are in the music business, but based on what you can identify, looking at the broader landscape, they seem to be losing their way already. What words of advice would you give?
Well, first of all, with music, if you are a true musician or a true singer, a real
artist,
if it's embedded in you, then it won't go nowhere. You will always have it. You will always be singing. You will always sound good because people will always. What that person needs to do is continue recording, continue writing stuff that is relevant to uplift the nation and the world.
Yeah, have a set a very, very high standard. That's what you need to do. Very high standard. Vocal quality, lyrical content, presentation of self, meeting your appointments when you have them. Don't just say, well, we can't bother with that appointment today. No, you meet your appointments. If you're required to be there at 4, you're there at 3:30. 3 o'clock if it
3
needs to be.
o'clock, 1 hour before. You must always be there 1 hour before.
But professionalism is what it's all about.
Definitely.
Now, where can we see you in performance after today?
After today, I will be at the Jaria function tomorrow by Footprints. Yeah. So I'll be there.
Okay. Blessings.
Live and living colors.
Yes. Thank you again. Richie Canary, our guest on Cool 97 FM. So, Richie, you're going to have about 17 minutes. Call it now 16 minutes to perform for us because we're going into our commercial break after that, and then we'll have our final guest of the morning. So I'm going to invite you to join Mikey T, who I just saw coming in from outside. Join him out there. Let him set you up at your place. And I'm going to be doing some back announcing meanwhile.
Can I big up somebody? Just one person.
Sure.
A producer in Italy. His name is Tough with Tough. He produced one of the songs I'm going to do later on. So just listen out for it. It's
Italy?
All the way in Italy.
Nice.
So listen out. Everybody.
Bless your heart.
All right, thank you.
Okay, so there we go. All right. So Live Tuesday continues on Cool 97 FM. And we're inviting you to stay with us because we're going to be going all the way up to 9 o'clock. And just a reminder, in terms of our sponsors of this segment, we have ATC Freight and Shipping, your go-to courier for commercial cargo from Curacao. Outfit your store. Stock your boutique with top quality, high fashion, shipped directly to Jamaica at competitive rates. Call ATC Freight and Shipping at 876-630-1515. WhatsApp 876-802-4573. And don't forget, we also have on board for Live Tuesday, yes, none other than, you got it, Key Mix Audio. The mix is key. Thanking them for PA system and audio support for Live Tuesday. So now we go to our stage. Richie Canary going to be performing for you the second of 3 acts billed to appear this morning on Cool 97 FM. In our final segment, we'll have Warrior King.
Woke up this morning, see Jaja bright sun shining. I just got to give Jah praise, yeah, for all He has done for me, friends and family. Jah, you're worthy to be praised, yeah. How good and how it is to live in my Father's world with everything to achieve, with all the troubles and the trials everywhere. Jah never give a man more than he can bear. Never. He put the weight on your shoulders, but you never stumble. Give you the strength to tread on and still be humble. How good and how pleasant it is to live in my Father's world with everything to achieve. Sha la 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 la. This morning, she got that bright sun shining. We just got to give the praise, yeah.
Weed up that. I think I record and play on the outside. One more time.
You mean, my brother, respect, sir. Lord, 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 Cool FM, yeah, Cool 97. Oh, Warrior King, where we tell them, say, Lord, 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 give us strength, oh, yeah. Woke up this morning, see Jaja bright sun shining. I just got to give Jah praise, yeah, for all He has done for me, friends and family. Jah, you're worthy to be praised, yeah. How good and how pleasant it is to live in my Father's world with everything to achieve. Sha la 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 la. Sha la 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 la.
He put the weight on your shoulders, but you never stumble. Give you the strength to tread on and still be humble. How good and how pleasant it is to live in my Father's world with everything to achieve. Lord, 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 Lord. Yeah. Oh, oh, yeah. Everybody sing. Sha la 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 la. How good and how pleasant it is to live in my Father's world with everything to achieve. Woke up this morning, see that bright sun shining. I just got to give you praise. Yeah. Yeah. For all the beautiful ladies out there. Yeah. Forever mine. All because you're my kind. Ooh, baby. I got what you want, you get what I want, and we were made for each other. Oh, baby, you are that someone I've been hoping, I've been looking for all my days. Don't you ever think about leaving this heart of mine. Never nobody to do the things you do. Yeah. We go together, well, like a bird in a tree. Empty in the world of trouble. If you wasn't here with me, stay forever mine. All because you're my kind. You like what I like, and we were made for each other. This song was done over 30 years ago. One of my first songs, yeah? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Woman, I can hardly express my mixed emotions and my thoughtlessness. After all, I'm forever in your debt. And woman, please let me express your inner feeling and thankfulness for showing me the meaning of success. Ooh, woy, woy, woy. Well, shooby-doop-doop-doo. Yeah, she's a beautiful woman. She's a beautiful woman. She's a beautiful woman. Whoa, whoa. Woman, I know you understand the little child inside a man. So please remember, my life is in your hand. And woman, hold me close to your heart. However distance
don't keep us apart. After all, it's written in the stars. Ooh, boy, boy, boy. All the beautiful ladies, Mrs. Isaacs, enough respect. If I could write a story, and any like I wanted to, yeah, I'll find me a genie, climb to his bottle, and let you rub it till your wish came true. I'll put angels around you to keep you from harm, to light up the darkness until you're safe in my arms. I'll put angels around you, a circle of three, yeah, angels to lead you safely to me, yeah, yeah, ooh-wee, yeah. There is no simple answer, yeah, and life, it has its own way, yeah, yeah, yeah. But if I know you love me, I don't need a genie. And keep showing bottle away. I put angels around you to keep you from harm, yeah, to light up the darkness until you're safe in my arms. I put angels around you, a circle of three, yeah, angels to lead you safely to me, yeah. Cool 97 FM, the best station.
Freight and shipping. They'll pick up, pack, and ship your boxes, barrels, crates, and containers from most major cities in Canada. Ship from Canada with ATC Freight and Shipping, proud agents of IKL Logistics. Call 876-630-1515, WhatsApp 802-4573. Cool 97 FM with Live Tuesday on the nation's coolest, Cool 97 FM. Again, thank you for PA system and audio support. Key Mix Audio. The mix is key. So, Richie Canary performed for you on the nation's coolest. Coming up inside of our break, let's see, we have in the next half an hour Ashanti Oasis Vegetarian Catering as the official caterer of Live Tuesday. Ask about their vegan veggie balls at all major supermarkets island-wide. Call 876-458-9859. Cool 97 FM. Now we're going to our final guest of the morning, Warrior King. And it's good to have him on the show once again. Great to see you. How are you? Good morning.
Greetings and blessings, man.
I'm long well. Time.
I'm alive and well. Long time to see you too. Yes, a blessing. Give thanks, you know.
Indeed. Glad you could join us this morning. So, Warrior King, for our cool audience, the name Warrior King has been known for many years on the musical scene. What are some of the big stages you've actually graced?
I think most of the biggest stages internationally. Like most of the big festivals in Europe.
Really? You done Glastonbury or whatever the name of that one?
Yeah, Boomtown, all the big in England, in Japan Splash. In Jamaica, we do all of the major festivals. From Rebel Salute to Sumfest.
Wow.
We do a big festival in China.
China?
Yeah, even in China. So we go almost all the continents.
So you see, with all of this traveling, tell me something. You speak a second language?
I speak a little bit of each, but especially when I'm in the zone. So I'm in the zone, it chip in. Come on, tell-vous, like French, you know?
Yes.
Yeah, man, arigato, you know? Japanese, you know? And don't for me chip in, I always make it my point of duty. When I go to a foreign country.
Yes.
I learn them language, so people appreciate when they take the time out.
Yes.
People can say a sentence in their language.
Yes, indeed.
So I always try to do that.
Nice.
With
Okay.
that Spanish. Como te llamas? You know Spanish?
No.
You don't know me ask you what's the name.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Really? Okay. All right. Dan Thomas. I'll just tell you in English. So you've been on a path to make a change. I can't think of one derogatory sound coming from you. Talk to us about the mission that you have been on since your career started. And about how many years now you've been in the music business?
About 21 years.
21.
But we know, Paul will tell you long before that. You know?
Yes, so we heard, yes.
Yeah, from school days.
School
But
days.
professionally, since we get the break, I'm 22 years from 2001. So 22 years officially.
Nice.
And you know the journey.
You're the same age as Cool.
Yeah. Same age. Wow, what a thing. Congratulations.
Thanks.
But like, you know, I'm a Rastafari. Yeah. So, you know, teachings of His Majesty, spreading the gospel, spreading the truth. That was always the foundation of what I do, you know, the music, my lifestyle, everything, you know. So it always is a part. So it's like, true music is a powerful medium to get the message across and bring the people of the world together. So we use the music to spread the light and the truth, you know what I mean? Yeah, so like, we're mindful of the words that come out of our mouth, and we're mindful of the type of songs we put out there. I just say you never hear one derogatory song, and I don't think you ever hear one.
Okay. I'm going to ask you to just hold on 1 second for us. We have to take this message. Yes. Visit ATC Freight and Shipping Limited at 101 First Street, Newport West, Kingston for all your shipping needs. Competitive rates, warehousing and customs clearance, hassle-free. The time by ATC Freight and Shipping, the reliable and competent service professionals. It's now 8:31. We're going to our cool message.
Persons thankful for the little things are certain to be the ones with much to be thankful for. A cool message from Frank Clark on 97 FM.
This is the GOJ Minute for Tuesday, September 26. Minister without portfolio in the Ministry of Economic Growth and Climate Change, Senator Matthew Samuda, says Jamaica's nationally determined contributions, NDCs, are geared towards reducing the country's carbon footprint. Irish potato farmers will access $150 million in support from the government to boost production of the crop on the island. Minister of State in the Ministry of Foreign Affairs and Foreign Trade, Orlando Terrelong, says youth inclusion is critical to the sustainability of the Jamaican diaspora movement. And the government will implement the Public Officials Protection System POPS policy in the 2024-2025 fiscal year, geared at overhauling existing close protection security procedures for certain government officials. That was the GOJ Minute. For more information about these and other stories, visit jis.gov.jm.
A production of the Jamaica Information Service, the voice of Jamaica.
How is FX Trader more than just great rates? FX Trader guards customer privacy with the highest priority. Every transaction stays confidential to protect your safety. So whether your transactions are done in store, over the phone, or via bank transfer, you can be assured that your business remains discreet. So go to fxtrader.gkmsonline.com to see how we can help convert your currency, large and small, with honesty, integrity, and trust. FX Trader is changing the face of foreign exchange.
General Paintings Limited, 42.5 Malines Road, Kingston 10. We're professionals in the fields of commercial painting, sand blasting, and equipment rentals, including compressors, man lifts, lightning towers, and sky climbers for over 48 years. General Paintings Limited, 42.5 Malines Road. Call 876-923-6058 or 876-923-5884. Satisfaction guaranteed. On time, every time.
I saw something suspicious at work the other day and decided to speak out. I was afraid at first, but did it because corruption must stop. They never too liked the idea and even threatened to fire me. But I believe it's my duty to speak out against these things. Be a whistleblower and help eliminate corruption. Call the Integrity Commission at 876-968-6227 or email cpd@integrity.gov.jm.
A message from the Integrity Commission, United Against Corruption.
Here's your chance to get interactive, and you can get interactive inside Cool Tones each Tuesday.
Just text in your song request on the Cool text line.
That's 876-832-7879 between 9 and 10 a.m. And then listen for your favorites played for one super cool hour. It's Text In Tuesday from 11 a.m. to noon inside Cool Tones. You've been sending in those requests. Now it's time to sit back, relax, and enjoy your favorite tunes on Cool 97 FM. Text In Tuesday is sponsored by
Blanco Paints, durable by nature.
Fontana Pharmacy, it's all good inside.
Home and Things Limited, brands you know, brands you can trust.
Let's do it.
This vehicle safety and maintenance tip is brought to you by Hyundai Jamaica, giving you reasons to dream and drive. Getting your tires balanced and rotated at least once every 6 months is important for maintaining the maximum safety and performance of your Hyundai vehicle. Failure to regularly rotate and balance your tires can lead to more expensive repair needs like wheel hub, CV joint, and other front-end parts damage. Balancing and rotating helps to extend the life of your tires and keeps you safe on harsh roads while saving you money. Check your vehicle's tire pressure at least once every month, especially before you take long trips or carry extra load. With Hyundai, you and your tires can go the distance. This tip is brought to you by Hyundai Jamaica, giving you reasons to dream and drive. Need that drive time mood booster? Get that dopamine rush in Cool Rhapsody.
Tuesdays, 5 to 9 p.m. with Peter Phillips and Ann Jeffrey.
An eclectic blend of soca, reggae, and ballads after a long day. Brought to you by
Dermacare, located at the Lee Gore Business Center, 31 Upper Waterloo Road in Kingston.
Cool Rhapsody on your #1 feel-good station,
Cool 97 FM.
You're the best thing that ever happened to me.
Come to No Trends Fashion for all your fashion needs with the latest styles and trends in accessories and apparel. Sizes small to 3X at 22A Central Plaza Halfway Tree. All in No Trends Fashion on all media platforms. Call 876-829-3333.
If you're 40 and over, CCRP brings you the Caribbean's best health plan through CGM Gallagher and Sagicor. Fun excursions, a world of discounts from over 70 of your favorite service providers. You also get exclusive home and auto cover through J&J Silver Shield and much more. Whether it's fellowship, advocacy, or useful information, CCRP is your national link. Visit ccrponline.org or call 876-469-1944 and become a member today. CCRP, life to the fullest.
Want to hear some cool head-nodding, seat-rocking throwback tunes and more? Keep your radio locked to Cool Rhythms Tuesdays, 1 to 5 p.m. with Mixmaster Marvin and me, Heather Cummings-Williams.
Thanks to our sponsors.
Beverly Hills Pharmacy, guiding you to better health. 230 Mountain View Avenue, Kingston.
And Catalea Perfect 10 Med Spa. Visit shop number 10, Shops at Southdale, 1 South Avenue, Kingston 10.
Tune in each week to hear your favorite jams and giveaways from our sponsors. Tuesdays on Cool 97 FM.
Hey you! Yes, you! What's your vision for financial success? Want to know how to avoid common money mistakes that will keep you broke? I'm Kalila Reynolds. Join me Wednesdays at 7:30 a.m. here on Cool 97 FM for Let's Get This Money. I'm your personal money mentor here to share tips to help you stay on track and reach your money goals.
Thanks to our sponsors, Popeyes, good food at keep. Visit locations island-wide. Let's get this money.
Wednesdays at 7:30 a.m. on Cool 97 FM.
Tuesdays are live on Cool. And guess what? Now you can tune in to the coolest spot for live music on demand. That's right. Watch your favorite live Tuesday episodes on Cool 97 TV on YouTube any day of the week. Take a walk with the Abyssinians. Chant the revolution with Abidjan. Groove with Benji Myers and Lloyd Parks. Wake up with music of Boris Gardner And don't forget all the young treasures, Indie Allen, Yardcore, and more. That's all your favorite live Tuesday shows at your fingertips. To watch, visit cool97fm.com and click the Cool 97 TV time. Watch, like, comment, and subscribe.
This is the essential.
All right, we're going to continue with Cool 97 FM, and we were speaking with Warrior King before we went to the break. So let's find out about a new project that you have that's called Universal Light.
Yes.
What's that all about?
It's just like the same question I asked before the commercial break and the journey and what keeps me so focused and so forth. It's like Universal Light is like using the music to spread that light, spread the truth, spread the positive energy, positive message. So the song is called Universal Light. It's a song produced by Machete Records, a producer from out the UK.
Whoa.
But it's one of the lead songs, one of the second singles from my upcoming album with the same title, Universal Light. So Universal Light is like, Rastaman, we always have a play on words.
Yes.
So Universal is universal. So Universal Light is the same thing.
Okay. Now, when is this album coming out?
Hopefully we aim for November of this year.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so this is a single, Universal Light is a single, and also Ethiopia. We have 2 singles out right now.
Nice. So how are those doing?
Excellent. Yes, and we have...
Any of them on the charts yet?
We don't really know, to be honest. Them just start bubble still.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but we just put up videos for them. Yeah, so both songs are visuals.
All right, fine. Now, do you have any performances locally? Because you guys take planes like crazy that we'll be able to catch you on.
Well, locally, in Westmoreland at Bluefield, we have the Peter Touch celebration coming on the 20th. That's Friday the 20th of October.
Okay.
And we have a performance in Mango Valley, St. Mary on the 16th of October. That's locally. And outside of Jamaica, like New Orleans and different parts of the world we'll be going to,
Nice. All right. So, with that, I'm just going to invite you, because the clock is ticking away.
Yes, very
ticking. I invite you to just go on out there and just have a whole lot of fun.
Right, thank you for having us. Right?
Okay,
Give
blessings.
Thanks.
And say morning to the crew that you brought
Roots
with you.
Roots Warrior family, man. Leslie, big up yourself. The whole Roots Warrior family. Big up yourself. Rastafari, love.
Okay. There you go, Warrior King on Cool 97 FM. The segment is brought to you by the official caterer of Live Tuesday, Ashanti Oasis Vegetarian Catering. Ask about their vegan veggie balls at all major supermarkets island-wide. Call 876-458-9859, ATC Freight and Shipping Limited. Let them coordinate your shipment from major cities in China. Book and ship containers, heavy machinery, generators, kids' toys and clothing. For weekly direct sailing and air freight services from China, call ATC Freight and Shipping, 876-630-1515, WhatsApp 876-802-4573. Warrior King performing for you.
Rastafari live. This is Warrior King alongside the Roots Warrior Band. Greetings Jamaica, greetings world. Cool 97, you don't know. Rhythm up, no time to waste. Say what you wanna say, yeah. That is not my concern. I will never lose my way, yeah. Forward we going, no time to reverse. Them can't get me. Reload! Microphone check. This is Warrior King alongside the Roots Warrior. Rhythm, no time to waste. Say what you wanna say, yeah. That is not my concern. I will never lose my way, yeah. Forward we going, no time to reverse. Them can't get me down. Could never get me down. Hypocrites, vipers around. They try to push me to the ground. Yeah, them can't get me down. Could never get me down. I praise the one who wears a crown, the one who sits in David's throne. Now, today for you, tomorrow for me, that's how we go. Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose, you better know. Life is a cycle, naturally, that's how it flows. I am an overcomer, so I cannot be overthrown. Now, every day I give you thanks and praise. He's the one who gives me length of day, yeah. When I'm timid, it makes me brave to fight against those who try to put me in a grave. Them can't get me down, could never get me down. Hypocrite hypocrites, vipers around. They try to push me to the ground. Hear me, Paul, them can't get me down. Could never get me down. I praise the one who wears a crown. The one who's rhythm. Them a penny me, can't study me. For no reason at all, they criticize me. Them can't trouble me, neither worry me. I'm protected by the power of the Trinity. I'm like a seed planted in fertile soil. With good fruits and you know them can't spoil. But it a bubble, food it a boil. I'm a survivor, tell you all the while. Them can't get me down. Could never get me down. Hypocrites, vipers around. They try to push me to the ground. Them can't get me down. Could never get me down. I praise the one who wears a crown. The one who sits on David's throne. Rastafari. How you feeling out there? Greetings, Jamaica. Good morning, world. Jai's always there. Well, I say, Ucha bless the one curse, you know. Give thanks and praise at the worst. And the weapon that this summer against the church shall prosper. How about you now? They try to fight me down, try to push I around. I know. We'll and come again. We'll and come again. Roots warrior to the world. Rhythm. Well, I say, Ucha bless the one curse, you know. Give thanks and praise. Cool FM is not the worst. And the weapon that is time against your children prosper. How about you now? Most I, they try to fight me down, try to push I around. I know Jah is always there. Wouldn't choice if I jump, cause you're by the pound. Cool FM, Jah is always there. In everything I do, everything I say, I know Jah is always there. He brightens up my days, so to him I always pray. I know Jah is always there, yeah, boy. You're the Messiah, bless and love Isaiah. Do good, and I know you'll never fail. Oh, bloody vampire, no one will see I prosper. Could never stop this one from God to scare, yeah. I know someday all wicked heart will be tumbling, yeah. I know someday Cool FM will rejoice and sing. They try to fight me down, try to push I around. I know Jah is always would rejoice if I drown, cause you're by the pound. I know Jah is always there in everything I do, everything I say. I know Jah is always there. He brightens up my days, so to him I always pray. I know Jah is always there, yeah, boy. Jah give by the blessing, wicked heart you are my dressing. Never try to hold I down. Oh, I teach a lesson. Which a blessing cannot be cursing. It's the last thing I have on his own. Everywhere I go, I know Jah is always there, yeah. Therefore, I know. Are you feeling out there? They try to fight me down, try to push I around. I know Jah is always there. Would rejoice if you drown, cause you're by the pound. I know Jah is always there in everything I do, everything I say. I know Jah is always there. Brightens up my days, so to him I always pray. I know Jah is always there. Yeah. Never go in the wrong congregation. Why? Cool FM my burn pagan, so I never will. Rastafari living in a conquer everything. Yeah. Never go in the wrong congregation. Why? Roots warriors are burn pagan, so I'll never go the pagans go. Never do what the heathens do, cause Rastafari give it the guidance. Never say what the idolatrous say. Emperor Selassie, I trust and obey. Rasta words are pure substance. I'll never go where the pagans go. Never do what the heathens do. Cause Rastafari give it the guidance. Never say what the wicked are say. Neither will I walk in the council no day. Alias be no God, hear me ace. Mythology and illusion, I'll be always burning. Corruption, confusion will be shown in the ash wind. Can't put Cool FM with your false doctrine, your false teaching. Oh, what a sin thing. Justice in a disguise, it's salvation that you're seeking. From the throne of David, now it's obvious that you're drifting. You have no respect for the King of all kings. So his name I'll be always exalting. And so I'll never go where the pagans go. Never do what the heathens do. Cause Rastafari give it the guidance. Never say what the idolaters say. Emperor Selassie, I trust and obey. Play low, play low, play low, play low. Play low. Good morning, Jamaica. Good morning, world. This is Warrior King alongside the Roots Warrior. You know the time short, so we have to make it nice. Play low, Roots Warriors. You know we can't come from the program and sing some new song. At least studio songs. Our time limited. Mr. Thompson, big up yourself. Paul, you don't know the whole crew, Cool FM family. Sis, Ethiopia, you know, we have to sing some new songs to get opportunity like this, and I do give thanks. Brand new. Ethiopia, the land where the gods and the goddess love to be. Today it's so painful to see. Rastafari, King Selassie the First. How you mean? How you feeling out there, Jamaica? Let me see them put up some cool emojis now, man. Rastafari. Ethiopia, the land where the gods and the goddess love to be. Today it's so painful to see. We're destroying our great unity. Sons and daughters of Sheba, children of Abyssinia, who share the pride of Africa and the world all over. Our kings are from King David's root. Our mothers bear the sweetest fruit. Don't forget your foundation. Never forget your roots. Ethiopia, the land where the gods and the goddess love to be. Today it's so painful to see. We're destroying our great unity. Sons and daughters of Sheba, children of Abyssinia, who share the pride of Africa and the world all over. Sis, yeah man, play low. I know the time limited, but we have to squeeze as much as possible. Anniversary light, you don't know. Cool FM to the world. I'm gonna tell you something. Warrior King and the Roots Warriors in the building. Reggae mix is alive and well. Rastafari live. You don't know, one blood call the whole family. I do need and rage, and they prosper every day. They shall be cut down like grass. I'm gonna shine. Willow! Brand new, get used to this. Rastafari. Why do they rage and they prosper every day? They shall be cut down like grass and wither away. I'm gonna shine my light. Flashlight, shine it, universal light. gonna shine my love light bright in a broad daylight or in the darkest night. Let your arise and these people rejoice. The time is now, let us unite. I am a light, I got to be an example. Wicked Babylon just get trampled. I listen, I see how the first as the end. Light of the world. Your love is everlasting. That's why I'm always fasting. Wicked are trying to eat up my age. I'm gonna shine my light. Shining bright. Much brighter than a flashlight. Universal life. Do what's right every day and night. A little than the poor man is better than the riches of the wicked. What's good for the stomach, I say, might taste a bit insipid. And I know your love conquers all. And I know, but it gonna go fall. Ricky Ticky, I'm gonna shine my light, shining bright, much brighter than a flashlight. Universal light, and do what's right every day. And play it up, play it up, play it up, play it up. We have a big up Loyal Films. What a youth song, good man. I have a brand new song, you know. I want to go out and check it out. Mountain Junior, big up yourself. Cease. We have about 4 minutes left on the clock. 4 minutes, right? 2 minutes. How you feeling? Well, shuba, 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 shuba day. Shuba, shuba, a shuba, shuba, shuba day. Shuba, 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 shuba day. Yeah, 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 yeah. Now, the real. How you feeling out there, Jamaica? Well, shuba, 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 shuba day. Shuba, shuba, a shuba, shuba, shuba day. Shuba, 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 shuba day. Yeah, yeah. Now, not real men can live without a woman. Like night to day, said a woman to her man. She's essential to his purpose and his mission. A good woman is a glory to her man. She never did the power, she just make him a better man. Every great man has a virtuous woman. Woman is say you love. You never leave me lonely, yeah. Always be there for me. Salina. Want to do what Jamaica jump? Woman to keep my strong. Part of your plan. We love, we love, we love. Same song, same song. How you feeling, Cool FM? Well, shuba, 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 shuba day. Shuba, shuba, a shuba, shuba, shuba day. Shuba, 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 shuba day. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Now, not real men can live without a woman. Like night to day, said a woman to her man. She's essential to his purpose and his mission. A good woman is a glory to her man. She never take the power, she just make him a better man. Every great man has a virtuous woman. Woman is say love. You never leave me lonely, yeah. Always be there for me. Salina. Jamaica. Woman to keep my strong, it's part of your plan. Leave my mom and find a woman and me one. Woman and me, perfect combination. I am a black. Woman that give me this sweet, sweet love. Oh, any time of day. Yeah, lots of kisses and all. The rest of man not but not all. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Not real men can live without a woman. Like night and day, said the woman to her man. She's essential to his purpose and his mission. Good woman is a glory to her man. She never take the power, she just make him a better man. Every great cease. Everything done. Everything done. Let's big up yourself. Thank you for having us. Thank you.
This is the nation's coolest. Cool 97 FM.